Welcome to the Lysaght Calculating Material Requirements training video. Today, we're going to take you through how to calculate cladding material usage using cover width calculations, crucial for accurate product estimation and installation. Let's get started. At Lysaght, we manufacture and sell a range of quality roof sheet products in a variety of profiles. When talking about Lysaght sheet profiles, it's important to use the correct terminology. Cladding is another name for roof or wall sheeting, and there are three main dimensions we need to consider. First is sheet width. This is the total width of the roof sheet as it's manufactured, including any edges that might overlap with adjacent sheets. It's the actual physical width of the sheet. Next is cover width. This is the effective width of the roof sheet when installed, accounting for the recommended overlap between one sheet and the next. It is this measurement that gives us the coverage area of each individual sheet on the roof or wall. The cover width is less than the sheet width due to the overlapping sections needed for proper installation and weatherproofing. And finally, sheet length. This is the actual length of the roof sheet as produced by the manufacturer. It's the physical measurement from one end of the sheet to the other. The length of the sheet is usually determined by the specific requirements of the roof or wall to be covered. Sheets can be cut to custom lengths to fit the dimensions of the roof or wall, thereby minimize the number of seams or joints, which helps in enhancing the waterproofing and aesthetic appeal of the roof. In order to calculate how much cladding is needed to cover the roof or wall, we need to use three key measurements. 1. The total width of the roof or wall to be clad. 2. The cover width of our chosen cladding profile. 3. The total length of the area to be clad. To better explain the process, let's consider how we calculate the material required for a typical roofing structure using Lysaght custom orb corrugated cladding. It is important to know each profile sheet and cover width differs. Please refer to each product's installation manual for specific data. These are available on the Lysaght website. Step 1. Let's consider a roof section that is 7 meters or 7,000 millimeters across. Step 2. While custom orb has a sheet width of 838 millimeters, during installation, adjacent sheets are overlapped at the sides by no less than 1.5 corrugations. This results in each custom orb sheet having a maximum effective cover width of 762 millimeters. Step 3. Simply divide the total width of the roof by the cover width of one sheet to get the number of sheets needed. For example, the total roof width is 7,000 millimeters and the cover width is 762 millimeters. 7,000 divided by 762 is 9.18 sheets. We then need to round up to 10 sheets. So our roof area, 7,000 millimeters wide, using custom orb with a cover sheet width of 762 millimeters, will require 10 sheets. This calculation can be used with any roof or profile cover width. And remember, our products can be custom cut in lengths to suit your project. That's it. We finished our session on calculating cladding material requirements using cover width calculations. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with using Lysaght's range of steel building products, contact your local Lysaght representative or visit our website at lysaght.com. Thank you for your time.